Hi there. Ever get those annoying, can't get rid of them hiccups? We've got 3 quick tricks to save the day. First up, grab some ice water and gargle for a minute. Yeah, it sounds weird, but it works. Suck on a small piece of ice for an extra kick. Hiccups, be gone. Next, try breathing slowly into a paper bag. It ups the carbon dioxide in your lungs, making your diaphragm chill out. Feeling calmer already? Last but not least, hold your breath. Seriously, just hold it for a bit. It can help reset your diaphragm and stop those hiccups in their tracks. So, there you have it, 3 easy ways to ditch those pesky hiccups. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Catch you in the next one.